Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell outside, but we have a little bit of snow. And it is absolutely freezing in this garage. So I thought, what better time than now to give this torn apart sort of plastics everywhere LTZ400 a little start. This is also a chance for me to ask you guys what you guys might think the problem with this is. As you'll see in a second, it will absolutely smoke pretty bad. It's pretty much guaranteed to smoke, actually, now that I think about it. But you'll see some smoke out of the back. After it warms up, it goes away, but man, does it smell like oil. So, I mean, I did re-shim the valves once. One of them was at 0, so it might be a cupped valve, but I'm not sure. You know, like, how do you know the difference between a compression versus a valve problem? Because couldn't you have blow-by a valve when you compression test it, if that makes any sense? I don't know. There's somebody out there that's going to know what the problem is, so I'm going to go ahead and post this. But yeah, let's see this bad boy in action. Give it a second here. Get some gas in it. Well, that was just some warm-up crankage, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug this guy from the deal here, wrap it around there so I can retie it back later. Okay. Alright, let's give her a try. Okay. Make sure the gas is on. No smoke right now. It is cold out, but go ahead and let you guys watch this thing warm up here.